In this video, I will be showing you how to increase score quickly on Snapchat. First, you need to log into your Snapchat account. At the top left corner, click the human icon. Tap this one to see your snap score. So as you can see, I have 52 snap score at this very moment. So how are we going to increase this one? First, you need to go to your chat box and look for multi-snap. Now that you enable multi-snap, all you have to do is to click this plus icon for about 8 times. As you can see, I am currently clicking until it will say multi-snap full. Now, I would suggest for you to open another account on Snapchat so that you can just freely send snaps to your other account, as many as you can, and no one will get annoyed. I have another account on Snapchat, this Shadowfeed 1015, so I can send as many snaps as I want to this account. So let's just say, for example, I am currently sending snaps to my other account, Shadow1015, and this is what it looks like. Now, what am I going to do now is to log out my current profile, current Snapchat profile. Okay, go to settings, click log out, and switch to your other account, which is the Shadow1015. Click this one here. As you can see, Jenny Lopez sent a snap. So all you have to do is to tap this one and view the snaps from Jenny Lopez. Okay, so view this multi snaps from Jenny Lopez. And then once done, using my other account, Shadow1015, I have to do the same thing to Jenny Lopez. So click multi snap, tap this plus icon 8 times, and then after that, send it to Jenny Lopez, which is my main account on Snapchat. So tap Jenny Lopez name and send your snaps. So as you can see, you're sending 8 snaps to Jenny Lopez. So once it's delivered, you can now tap settings again and log out. Switch to my main account, which is Jenny Lopez. Click login, go to your profile and tap this Snapchat icon. As you can see, my snap score from 52 increased to 60. That's how easy it is. Thank you for watching.